What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Dirty Red Gaming, where we take gaming and fashion and we mash it together. I'm Macho, aka Dirty Red, and this is my channel. So today, man, we got the Yeezy Slides, we got the Yeezy Slate Marine colorway. We're gonna take a look at those, and we're gonna also compare those to the Nike Calm. We're gonna see how both of those shoes match up together. We already know the Yeezy Slide is a winner, but we're gonna take a look at it anyway, being that the Nike Calm is supposedly the Yeezy killer, whatever you want to call it. But we're gonna take a look at that, man. So let's get this video started. Okay, so with the Yeezy Slide releasing just a couple days ago and the Nike Calm Slide releasing last month, I believe mid-July, and then you got mid-August for both. I was able to get my hands on both of them. So we got the Yeezy Slide in Marine Slate. It's kind of weird how they did the wording on it, but it's a typical Yeezy box. I'm not a big Yeezy guy, but these are by Adidas. You got them in the size 10. Just like with the Calm Slide, I went up a size on them. So I went from instead of a 9, I got them in the size 10. But the colorway on them, it says Slate Marine. It doesn't say Slate Marine, but it says SLTMRN, which kind of stands for Slate Marine. You got them in the 10 right here, Yeezy Slide. Nothing too crazy about the box. We will do a difference. I guess if we're comparing them, here's my Nike Calm box, and here's my Yeezy box. Very minimalistic, my bad. Very minimalistic, so, alright, so we dropped that. But anyway, so let's open up the box. Nothing too weird about it. Got your regular box. I guess this is what it usually looks like. But I've worn these, so they might be a little beat up. But yeah, you got a military green slide. I would say these are very nice. What comes in the box, you got your Yeezy Slide tag, size 10 original, and then you got this. Close this up. So you get a pen when you order from the website, but it pretty much says, it just stands up to all hate. Something Kanye got going on, man, some Jewish mess. I don't really get into the politics of it, but that's the pen that comes with it. It just pretty much says, put it on whatever you wear to stand up against Jewish hate, man. That ain't got nothing to do with me. It's probably why, But anyway, so yeah, so you pretty much got a very minimalistic slide, green. You got your logos, tags here. On the inside, it does say Yeezy here. You can't see it, but it's nothing too, different about the Calm Slide than the Yeezy Slide besides the brand. I'm gonna pull this one out and take a look at the Calm Slide. I don't even know how to put it, so I just put this one down and put the other one up. But side by side, let's take a look at them. The Yeezy Slide is much bigger, it's much wider, it's much bulkier, but that doesn't really have nothing to do with the comfort on it. This is a very, very extremely comfortable slide. I'm not a fan of Adidas. I'm really not a fan of Adidas. I have a story about why I don't like Adidas, but Nike, this right here is very slim. And like I said, I did my review on it, the cushion on it. I kept this slide simply because it's a Nike slide. And I want to say it's been hyped up, so I felt like if I got rid of it and if I couldn't get it back, I'd be a little disappointed. So that's the only reason why I kept the slide. I wore it 48, 72 hours. Did get some wear in it. You see the bottom of it. But yeah, I kept it just because it's a hyped up slide and I don't want to get rid of it or take it back and then can't get it back later on once I want it back. So yeah, I was able to win this in the drawing, $70. I will say it's worth every penny of it. This is a great house shoe. This is a great out in public shoe. It feels better in the house than it does out in public, simply because you're just walking over all kind of terrain and stuff like that. But when you're in the house, and you're walking on carpet, this feels great. I'm not even gonna lie, this is a great slide. I'm not even an Adidas guy. I gotta go buy some Adidas stuff, some Adidas socks, and some shorts or something like that. But this is a great slide, man. You can look at that, how soft that is. Then I have to really see how I'm pushing that, and it still doesn't even look like it's going down. And here I just push it. I mean, it's just night and day with this slide. It's not really much to show. You got the Slate Marine. You got the Nike Calm. I should do a comparison with both of them on foot. I can tell now just looking through here. You probably can't see it on camera, but just how from wearing it for a few days, how it's just molding to my feet here. Opposed to here, I've been wearing it for a few days and it just looks like I just bought it. But yeah, if I had to choose, I would buy them both. I'm not even gonna lie, simply because this is hype. This is not a bad slide. It's just, I think because they compared it to this, it makes it a bad slide. If this wasn't here, or if this didn't look like this, I would still grab this slide just because of how it looks. But I wouldn't grab it for comfort, and I wouldn't grab it and compare it to this. So let's do an on feet. I'm gonna do an on feet with both, so you can see the difference in how this may look compared to this cushion wise. I'm pretty sure ain't nobody trying to decide if I should get a pair of Yeezy slides over some Nike slides. Get what you want, but this is the most comfortable shoe or comfortable slide I've ever worn. And I'm definitely gonna grab another pair of these. So let's go.